Good swingful day for Dow Jones and Nasdaq yesterday, dropping at 33,800. We have seen a very good recovery on US30 with the US cash session. At the same time, US102 dropped below 12,970 and now has recovered and trading at 13,000. Remember, it has also breached 13,100 levels and but failed to succeed and then traded with a drop. So now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Also you can be updated with the live market updates in my free Telegram channel. Links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start. Now see, US100 yesterday has shown a very sharp recovery. See, 13,100 levels, so a very good resistance. 13,100, 120. In fact, it went till towards 13,150 levels. Now 13,150, 160 is certainly a good resistance. And if you look at what it is trying to do, it has created the base, higher lows, higher highs. That is what it is trying to create. And hence now if you see it trading above, now see 13,100 is again going to be a tough resistance, and then beyond that possibly we may see it hitting 13,200 levels again. Now also remember, beyond 13,200, 220 it is directly going to stop at 13,500 levels, if not this week, possibly next week, but these levels are going to get achieved. Hence we have to wait for it to stay above 13,200 levels in order to confirm a rise. Right now, yes, for the day above 13,100 one can stay long. Stochastic was oversold, trying to recover. MACD at bottom. The RSI is also trading comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, certainly you can find a reversal sign there after a couple of red candles, and hence in fact I will recommend you to buy here at 13,060 or 13, but remember 13,060 if you are buying, 13,080, 13,100, 13,120, 140, 160, every 20 points till 13,200. Just put a 20 points, take profit. That's it. That is what I will recommend, because see, these are markets beyond you and me. Waiting for a long move does not reap the benefit. You have to keep booking, keep re-entering. That is what, how you can benefit in when you know that this is a sideways market and it is trying to swing. Stochastic looking down. MACD at flat at near to zero levels. RSI is almost flat here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, the story is little different here. See, yes, it is trying to show reversal, but wait for it to break on the upside above 13,060. Certainly, there could be a reversal sign where you can expect it to rise above 13,100 and plus levels. But if you look at the 3-hour chart, see once again higher lows, or rather I will say it is trading in the box for this multiple candles. And see, this is happening after a good breakout here. So once again, if you see it trading above 13,100, 150, 200 levels, more bullishness is going to prevail there. Stochastic looking down. MACD is still bearish, trading with very little divergence. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see one sharp red candle, and see this time it has dropped further, but it is trying to recover, and hence wait for it to break past 13,100, 120 levels in order to confirm a rise. Stochastic flat. MACD is still bearish. You can see this, the MACD is still looking down. It's still looking bearish. It is crossed over at a little higher levels. RSI is flat here. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily chart, so far it is trading with divergence from the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Also see, beautifully it has got the support from the 20 period moving average yesterday, 12,970. Now those who follow me for long must recall these levels. We have touched these levels many a times, 12,970, 12,920 levels, and I told you very good support exists there too. Now see, yesterday's candle and day before's candle, lower highs, lower lows. On the upside now today, wait for it to break past 13,100 and then 13,150 levels. If these two are taken, certainly we can see that it is reversed, and then we are going to look at 13,200 plus levels. Now also if you look at the daily chart, see the candle has started with this little tail on the downside. There could be a little push which we might see. And yes, as I said, any move beyond 100, 150 zone, we are going to stay bullish. On the downside, 12,970 is something we have to wait, because see, the body size is increased here. It is a smaller body, then a slightly bigger body. This time if it stretches, it is going to be a very good sharp drop, which is going to take it again till towards 12,900, 800 levels. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD divergent and bearish. It is still looking down here. This crossover is happening at a slight higher levels, and hence it can stretch the top for a little while. RSI is almost trading flat here. Considering this, I am having a very narrow no trade zone 13020 to 13060. For this 40 points, do not take any position, and if you are buying at 13060, remember you have to put a strictly 20-point trailing stop loss, and you have to put strictly at least stop loss at cost, so that in case of a reversal, in case of swings, your trade closes in profit. Till 13200 we are going to look at very strong resistance. Bullishness can be expected once it breaks past 13100 120, but then till 13200 be watchful. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, you can sell here at 13020, but then 12980 first targets, 12980 12970 first targets, and then 12920. This is going to be the next stronger support. If it breaks below 12920 then it's still we are looking at 850 and 800 as the next stronger support. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, should be part of my mentorship batch. The 21st batch now it starts on 1st of May. Register yourself, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do not miss this opportunity. Now also you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for US30. Higher lows are seen here, and specifically since yesterday we can see this higher lows here, which is a good sign for the bulls there. Also you can see couple of candles showed higher highs, which means 33,950 34,000 levels it needs to break past by, then only we can consider this as reversal. Right now it is trying to be in this retracement channel. I will recommend you to buy at 33,900, but then till 920 950 34,000 34,050 we are going to see extremely good resistance. Also remember, it is looking forward to a recovery. Let's see how fast and how far it recovers. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. MACD at bottom here, it is trying to cross over for a buy, and but trading with very little divergence. RSI almost flat, and if you look at 2-hour charts also, higher lows are seen, which means a sell entry below 33,800 is see, a sell entry is only allowed till if you see it trading below 33,800 level. So in between 800 and 900, let's not trade Dow Jones for this 100 points. Above 33,900 also 33,940 50 first targets, 34,000 next targets. Only if it trades above 34,050 34,100 for the bullishness. Remember, I had told you earlier in my weekly analysis also, I am repeating it again, above 34,200 the next target for Dow Jones is 34,500 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is still bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI almost flat, and if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also similar is the observation. Now see this higher lows or flat bottom, lower highs, or these two candles, if you see, these are higher lows. So possibly 33,840 820 levels are very good support, but then 33,800 is something which I will look forward for it to break past by. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI flat, and if you look at 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. See multiple candles getting the support in this zone, and see we are looking at lower highs. So 33,950 34,000 once it breaks, it is going to be a confirmed bullishness. MACD divergent and bearish, RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now if you look at daily charts, see the previous candle was a bearish candle. The support there was at 33,800 33,780, below which we are going to look this time at 33,700 and 600. Now 33,600 is a very good support. In fact, this complete zone between 33,600 and 500 is an extremely good support here. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross here, and the RSI is also trading flat but near to the highs. Considering also remember, it is trading with extreme divergence through the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. It can always get a pullback till here, which means 33,600, 33,550, and in fact below levels are possible here. Also, if you look at the daily chart, see higher lows, higher highs. Support there at 33,600 is going to be very strong, and hence below 33,800 one has to stay short, where you can expect further bearishness today. So 33,800 780 levels, yes, stay short below that. At the same time, buying above 33,900, wait for it to break past 34,000 levels. then only you can expect that it is going to fly high, and then also you can wait for 34,100 and 200 zone to be breached, because beyond that it is going to achieve higher highs for 34,500 and 35,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.